Today we're going to be going over one of the most important things that's not actually a tool, and that's speakers. While the system that I have in my garage is not going to satisfy most audiophiles, but it is more than enough to give me some good music to listen to while I'm working on my car. All it consists of is two old Harman Kardon computer speakers, so at least it's a nice brand. It has one plug, the two speakers are wired together, and then it has a little headphone jack, so I can plug it directly into my phone or my computer or whatever I want to play sound out of. They're pretty loud. I mean, they fill up the garage with sound no problem, and they can also get pretty loud out on the driveway as well, so it's more than enough for what I need. I don't need huge tower speakers and an amp and all that stuff. You're not trying to run a concert out of your garage. You're just trying to give yourself some background music to work to. So of course you can run whatever system you want, but the two computer speakers, they're cheap, they get the job done, and if they somehow get damaged while I'm working, it's not that big a deal. I've got mine hung upside down from the shelf, just so that again, out of the way, keep the bench space as open as I possibly can. But it's a great way to make your garage space a little bit more enjoyable and a little bit more livable while you work. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week.